Hi everyone, today we will build a crypto application using CoingeckoAPI API with React. I will use Tailwind CSS for CSS. After that, this is the final version of the application. Coins are listed on the main page, and when we click on a coin, a page with information about that coin opens for each coin. I will do this with React's router DOM. Okay, firstly I create the React project with width, and I copy that and paste it. Then I install Tailwind with width in the same way. Okay, you already know these steps, and paste it. Then I install React router DOM, npm install React router DOM version 6. And finally, I install Axios for API, npm install Axios. Okay, I can start after deleting the parts we don't need anymore. And app.js, and delete for this. I create a div. Okay, delete that and this, and delete React strict mode. Okay, first I start by importing browser router into main.jsx, and browser router will cover app.jsx. Browser router. Okay, then I move to app.jsx and import use effects and use state. Use state and use effect, and import React. Okay, then I need to import Axios. Import Axios, and I import root and root. Import roots and roots from React router DOM. Okay, now I will proceed step by step. First, I can create the navbar. I create a folder called components in the project, and components, and I create the navbar gsx. Then I let's create our file with rafc. Okay, after that, then I switch to app.jsx and import navbar. I import navbar. Okay, first I import the logo navbar, and I will share this file with you, and import logo from assets, image logo.png. Then I import link from React router DOM. Import link from React router DOM, because when the logo is clicked, I will redirect to the home page. Now it will be link as a container. I add a slash to the to property. I add a slash, and after that I create a div class with full justify center and items center. Okay, flex, and after that I create an image tag and source logo. Oh, when I say yes, I need to change the size of the logo. Class width 300 pixel. Okay, that's it. We are done with now we can get the API. After opening CoingeckoAPI site, I click on the API. After clicking explore documentation, there is a list of APIs I can use here. I click on coins markets and I click try it out. Currency is a USD. It asks how many coins are listed on each page. It can be 10 to start, then we can change it. After clicking execute, the API was created, and after that I copy request URL. In fact, here are the things we can use from within the API: ID, symbol, name, image, current price, market cap rank, high for 24 hours, low 24 hours, blah blah blah. Okay. After copying the API, I can now use it. Now I first to go app.js and create a variable called const API URL is equal to API. Okay. Done. Now I import Axios. Okay. Then I create the use state hooks. Const coin and set coin is equal to set use states. Use state hooks. Use state will initially be an empty array. Okay, that's it. Then I will use the API using the use effect hooks. I create a use effect. Axios gets API URL. After sending the response, after sending the response parameter with then set coins, will get the response data. Okay, then if there is an error, I will use the change method. Change and parameter is a error and console log error. Okay, and I add an empty array at the end. Add an empty array, and then so that it runs every time the page is refreshed. Okay. Okay, now after set coins, let's print 0 index of response data to the console. Response data index 0. Okay. As you can see, there is information coming from API. There is a lot of data that we can use. Now it's time to list the coins. For this we need to create a new component. I'm creating a component called CoinList.jsx. First I create the file with rafc. Okay, then I will go back to app.jsx and do routing with roots, and roots. I create a roots, and after that I create a root and path slash path will be slash. The elements will be coin list. Okay, and we need to send the props. Props because we will use the data from the API. Props name is a coins and props is a coin. Okay, now I can move on to coin list. Okay, First, I import the props I sent from app.jsx. Coins. I import coins. Then I import link from react root of DOM. Okay. Now what I need to do is to list each coin with the map methods, and when I click on any coin, it will open the page of that coin. But first I will create the main page. I'm adding class large width, max width. Max width is a 1268 pixel, and width 85%, max width 85%, and width full. Okay. And after that, as a margin X auto and margin top 8. Okay. Then I create a div in it. I delete that. I create a div, and after that another div. As a class text gray 200 and flex justify between and item center, and after that shadow large and rounded large, and margin X auto, and margin Y axis 2, margin X as a force, margin Y 2, and font bold, and padding X 6, and padding Y is a 4, and background primary. Okay. I create a p tag for rank, and after that coin, and after that price, and 24 hours, and volume, and market cap. Okay. These last two titles will need appear when the browser width decreases. For this I add a class large block and hidden. Okay. We test it. Okay. It's done. Now I will open another component to list the coins, coin item GSX. And first I create the file with RAFC. Then I will return to coin list and import it. But I need to return coins with map because I will list the coins for this. Coins map, parameter is a coin, and index, return coin item, and I sent the coin props, coins coin. Okay. I add a key index. Done. Now let's move to coin item, and I import the props coins. I add a class for div, and text white, flex justify between, and items center, and background primary, and shadow large, and rounded large, and large margin x4 and margin y8 and padding y3 and padding x6, and hover scale 155, transition all, and duration 300, and cursor pointer, and after that width full. Okay. Firstly, I add the rank of the coin. I open p tag for this. Coins, markets, cap, rank, and I save that. Okay, it's done. And after that, then I create p tag. No, not p tag. Then I create a div for image and symbol. I add a class, flex, item center, and gap x2, and width auto. And after that, I'm creating an image tag and source coins image. Okay, let's change the size image. Add a class width 40 pixel. Okay, and after that, then I create a p tag after image tag and coin symbol to uppercase. Okay, and after that, then for the current price of the coins, I create a p tag after div and coins current price to local string. I save that. Okay, it's good. And after that, then I create a p tag for the 24-hour change of the coin. I create a p tag coins price percentage 24 hours to fixed 1. I save that. Coins price percentage coins price change percentage. Okay, then I create a p tag for the coin volume. I create a p tag coins total volume to local string, and firstly I add a dollar symbol. Okay, and after that, then I create a p tag for market cap coins market cap to local string. Okay, now the last two p tags I added will not be visible when the browser width decreases. For this, I add a class large block and hidden. Okay, done. We are done with this part. And after that, as you can see, the coins are listed. Of course, if I want more coins to be listed on one page, I can change this. For example, let's go to app.js. Firstly, okay, as you can see, 10 coins listed. I go to app.js and per page 20, and I save that. As you can see, 20 coins listed. Okay. By the way, I add font primary class for app.js, font primary, and I save that. Okay, done. Now the coins are listed. Next is to create a page for coins. For this, I'm creating a component called coin page JSX. First, I create the function with rafc. Then I need to go to the app.js and import it. Of course, I will do this with root because I need to redirect to the page. Okay, root path / coin and elements coin page. Okay, and I need to redirect between this root as ID, root path coin ID and elements coin page, and I will get this ID with use params hooks. But first I need to go to CoingeckoAPI and get API for this. Okay, we use coins ID, and I click try it out. String example Bitcoin. Firstly, ID string market data. Okay, I click execute. Okay, here we go. Here I go to coins ID and click try it out. Okay, I copy that, and I copy that. I can now use it. Now I first a variable coin page const URL, and I use tablet literals because the page will be opened according to the ID that comes with use params. Okay, and I use params const params use params. Okay, and I delete the Bitcoin in the URL in the params coin ID. Okay, done. Now we need to call the API again. First we will call the use state hooks. Const coin set coin is use state. Use state will first get an empty object. Okay, then let's call the API using the use effect hooks. Use effects. Okay, xuse get URL, then response set coin response data, and change console log error. Okay, and console log response data. Okay, I say that. As you can see, there are the data coming from the response. Now we will use, say, some of them, but after the then methods, okay, and I add an empty array at the end so that it runs every time the page is loaded. That's it. Now let's continue. I will add a condition inside the container div. Coins, coin market, coin market data is true and is not true, is null. Okay, now let's add if true. I'm creating a div. Class max width 868 pixel and mx auto and margin top 16. I forgot to add a link to coin list, sorry, and I copy that link to I use tablet literals coins slash coin ID. Okay, elements coin page. Okay, and key index. And church and import axis. Okay, it's done. Then another div background primary and padding y is 6 and shadow large and rounded large. Okay, here I create h1 tag for coin's name as class text center, text white and font semi-bold and text 3x large and coin name, and I save that. Okay, that's done. I'm creating another div background primary and padding by 6 and shadow large and rounded large and margin top 12 and padding x4. Okay, there will be one more div inside. I create a span tag. Here will be the rank of the coin. Span class as a class text white background yellow and f3 ba2f. Okay, rounded small and border 4 and border And after that, padding y1, padding x, padding y1 and padding x2 as a class inside rank ds coin market cap rank, and I save that. Okay, that's done. Order for text bytes rounded. Okay. I'm creating another div class flags item center justify between and margin top 4. I create another div in it class flags item center justify center and gap x4 and text white, and I will add the coins image here, but I need to add a condition. If coin image is true, is not true, null, and I create image tag and source coin image small. Okay, now I will add the same. I will add the name of the coin. For this, I save that. Okay. I create a p tag. Class text large and coin name. Okay. Now I'm going to add the coin symbol, but for that I need to add a condition. If coin symbol is true, if not true is a null. I create a p tag class text f3 ba2f. okay, and text small and coin symbol to uppercase, and I save that. Okay, it's good. After that, I create a div and h1 tag as a class, text white, text 3 x large, and font semi bold. Okay. And coin market data current price .usd. Okay, it's good. Now I create a div. I create a new div to add the hourly changes. Background primary, shadow large and rounded large and width full and margin top 12 and text center and padding white 3. And I will create a table for this. A table class with full and margin y-axis 2 Okay, and I created table heads, and table row, class text white, then after that table head tag, and class padding right 3. And firstly 1 hour, and copy that, 24 hours, 7 day, 14 day, 30 day, and 1 year. 24 hours, 7 day, 14 day, and 30 day, and 1 month, and 1 year. Okay. And I create table body, class text gray 100, and text center. And I create table data. Firstly, I'm adding the 1 hour exchange, a coin market data dot price change percentage 1 hour in currency .usd to fixed 1 and percent symbol, and I save that. Okay. Now I copy this and add the other changes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 day, 14 day, and 30 day, and 1 year. Okay. As you can see, we added all the chains. It's look pretty good. Let's continue. Now let's add the lowest and highest prices in the last 24 hours. Okay, I'm creating a div for this. The class background primary, and margin top 12, shadow large, and rounded large, and padding y5, and padding x4, and text white. Okay. And one more div. Class is a flex, and large flex var, and normally flex call, and justify between, and large gap x12, and large gap y0, and gap y4. Okay. Then I create another div, flex large double dot flex wall, and flex call, and justify between, and large width half, width full, and large gap y0, and gap y4. I need one div, and flex large flex call, and large justify between, and large gap x0, and gap x2, and large padding bottom 0, and padding bottom 2, and large border none, and border bottom. Okay, done. And I'm creating an h4 tag and class front semibolt and 24 hours low. And I create a p tag coin.markets data low 24 hours .usd. Okay, and I copy this. I will do the same for the highest price, and I copy this 24 hours high, and not low is a high. Okay. I press the same div at large margin top 0 and margin top 8. Okay. And I copy that div and 24 hour low not is a market cap and coin markets data that's markets cap USD and that's circulating supply and market data circulating supply .usd. And delete border bottom. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully added the other information. Now I have one last thing to add. It's about the coin. I'm creating a new one, div class background primary and padding y6 and shadow large and rounded large, margin top 12, padding x4. Okay. One more div and I create h3 tag, text white and font semibold and text x large about. Now I will add this according to a condition. If coin description is true, if not true is null. If true, I create a p tag coin description dot English, and I add a class text gray 300 and margin top 4 as class. Okay, that's it. We have done everything. We can test our application. Coins are listed on the main page. There is information about coin page. When we click on any coin, that coins page opens. It was a very nice application. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video.